Hello, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Journey of English. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. In today's video, we are going to deal with an important topic of English grammar. We are going to study the topic prefix. Here is a list of few important prefixes in English language. First of all, we will try to understand what a prefix is. I will write the definition on the board. Please have a look at the board. A prefix is a set of letters placed at the beginning of a word to form a new word. This is the definition of a prefix. What is meant by a prefix? It is a set of letters placed or added at the beginning of a word to form a new word. We will try to study prefixes with the help of all these we can say different examples. So see here, in is the first prefix. So if the word is ability, 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 so this is a word we can add in prefix at the beginning of this word. Inability is a new word created. So here in is an example of a prefix. Ability, inability. Okay, by adding in we are creating a new word, and in is an example of a prefix. Active, see here, active is a word we can add the prefix into it. The newly created word is inactive, so in is an example of a prefix. Another example of a prefix is important. See here, important is the word we can add unto it. So unimportant is a new word created. So here is an example of a prefix. Okay, happy, unhappy. So happy is the word HAPPY. We can add the prefix to it. We can create a new word. The new word is unhappy. So is an example of a prefix. Dis is an example of a prefix. Suppose like is a word, like, dislike. So dis is an example of a prefix. Appoint, disappoint. So here in the word disappoint, dis is an example of a prefix. We will study a few other prefixes. miss, lead, lead, mislead, behave, misbehave. So here mislead, misbehave are the words. So here miss is an example of a prefix. We are creating new words by adding prefixes to the base word. Okay, try to understand it properly. Another is im, possible, possible, possible. We can add im before it and create a new word. The newly created word is impossible. Proper, improper. Proper, improper. Another is semi, semi. See here, final. The word is final. We can add semi to it and create a new word. The newly created word is semi-final. Semi-final. Circle, semicircle. So here semi-circle. Here also semi-final. Semi is an example of a prefix. We will study other prefixes now. under, under. See here, the word is stand. We can add under before it. We can create a new word. The newly created word is understand. UNDER, understand. So here under is an example of a prefix. Statement, we can add under before it. The newly created word will be understatement. Here another prefix is mid. See here, the word is day. We can add mid before it. We can create a new word, that is midday. MID, mid, midday. Way, WAY, way. We can add mid before it. The word is midway. Next example of a prefix is inter. INTER, inter. A mission, see here, MISSION, intermission. Intermission will be the new word. So here inter is an example of a prefix. Another example, see here, next one is non. Verbal is the word, VERBAL, verbal. We can add non before it. Non-verbal will be the newly created word, non-verbal. Stick, stick is a word. We can add non before it. We can create a new word. It will be non-stick. Non-stick. Another is FORE4. Another example of a prefix is FORE4. See here, look at the board, HEAD, head. So we can add FORE4 prefix before the word head. We can create a new word. The newly created word is forehead. Forehead. Sight, sight is a word, SIGHT. We can add the prefix for before it. The newly created word will be foresight. Foresight. In this way, we have studied a few important examples of prefixes. I hope that you must have understood the topic very well. If you are having any doubts related to the topic, you can send your valuable feedback to me. Once again, I appeal all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.